Hi. If you're experiencing any issues with Paga app, maybe the app isn't working, it is not opening, it is too slow, or it keeps on crashing, then in this video, I'll show you how to fix any issues on Paga financial app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, there are quite a number of methods you can use to fix this. In the first method, we need to access the app info, and you can simply do this by long pressing on your app, and then you should see app info, a settings gear, or even the name of the app. Tap on any of this to access Paga app info page. So for this tutorial, I'm on a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. Now, in the first method, we need to clear the Paga app data, and more especially the cache data. So if I go to storage, you can see we have a breakdown of data stored by this app, and of importance is this cache data. When you talk of cache data, these are just small files that Paga app normally collects and stores to enhance your user experience. But with the time, when these files accumulate, they might cause your app to malfunction. To fix this, tap on clear data down below, choose clear cache, and OK. And as you can see, our cache data has been cleared. At this point, restart your smartphone and go open your app, and everything should be okay. However, should things not be okay, go back to app info, tap on clear data, and this time round choose the first option, clear all data, and okay. And now your app should be functioning. In most cases, this should be able to fix your issues. However, if you still encounter any challenge, then we need to troubleshoot it from the Google Play Store or App Store if you are on iPhone. So I'll go to Play Store here, search for Paga app, and then find out if you have any update and update your app to the latest version. By updating your app to the latest version, you'll fix any security issues as well as get the latest version that is supported. At this point now, everything should be okay. However, should you still have issues such as Paga app crashes or it keeps on closing each and every time you open it, that might imply that your app has bugs. And to fix this, go and uninstall the app and then install it afresh. So by following any of these methods, now you should have your Paga app fixed. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.